This has got an 8 amp driver and SFT40 with the board up the top there. Okay, so you can see what I've done basically is I've taken these two little screws out, which were attached kind of, yeah, it's a bit difficult to see, but just there are a couple of mounting points there that it actually attaches that that copper board onto the flashlight itself, the flashlight body. It sits on this shelf, so there's no pill here. If the light comes with the pill, it's actually, I think, a lot more easier to do. Red to positive and black to negative. When you solder them back on, make sure that they are, they are in that order. So let's desolder this. So what I've done here is that I've just stripped a bit of the insulation to expose more of the wire and twisted the ends together, and I put in the new LED here. Okay. Underneath the LED, I've just put in a little bit of thermal paste, about a pea-sized amount, and pressed the board down so that it sort of spreads it all out to the edges. So you can see some of it probably applied a bit too much, goes all the way to the edges. Okay, just so that it makes proper contact with the body. And now I'm going to thread these through the driver through the other end. So let's have a look. Yep. So positive through one hole and the negative through another hole. And they go through the larger holes. Soldering iron, a bit of solder here to the left. Heat the wire and then drop the solder in. It's the positive one. Other side now, the negative terminal. And I'm going to heat the wire and the contact point a little bit like that. Drop in the solder. Okay. Bit of a quick and dirty job. Not the best soldering, but should do the trick. Now, make sure that everything is nice and tight, that the board is just sitting flush, which it is. Enough, too much of that thermal paste there, but now what I'll have to do is just replace the cleaning ring and these screws, of course, I've got. Okay, don't do them too tight because it just makes it very difficult to take them out again. All right, let's drop the reflector in top of the gasket. Looks like a decent fit. Now, moment of truth. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you below.